Hey guys, good morning. So what's up? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today's the video. In this video, we discuss the history of video game consoles. Okay, let's get started. Now the history of video game consoles is a fascinating journey that spans several several decades. It's a story of technological innovation, competing and culture impact. Here a brief overview of the major milestone and key developments in the history of video game consoles. Okay, so the first is point number first generation 1950 centuries to 1970. So the earliest experiments in video game technology began in the 1950s with game like Teen Eyes in the Teen Eyes of World 2 and Space War, and this game very played on large, expensive, and specialized computer system. Okay, the next is in the 1970s, the first commercially available video game console, the Magnetics Odyssey, was introduced. It has simply game like Pong and used removable plastics overlays to change the game appearance. Okay, the second point number is second generation least 1970 to 1980. The second generation was the rise of economic conclusions like the later 2000 2600, also known as the sorry, just give me. Okay, Atari 2600. 1977, the Atari 2600, originally called the Video Computer System (VCS), was a groundbreaking console that popularized cartridge-based gaming. In future, a joystick controlled and brought classics like Pac-Man, Space Invader, and Asteroid to home users. Okay, the next Intel Intellivisions 1980. Metal Electronics related the Intellivisions, which boasted superior graphics and more advanced controls than the Atari 2600. In introduced gaming like Burger Time and Doron Deadly Dishes. The next is Coloizo Vision 1982. Coloi's Visions was known for its faithful arcade plots including Donkey King and Zaxxon. It featured a unique, expensive model that allowed players to play Atari 2600 game. Okay, the next is third generation. In 1980s and 1990 century. So first is Nintendo Entertainment Statement, NES 1983. So The the NES revelated the video game industry after the North America video game crash of 1983. It introduced icon franchises like Super Bear Bros., The Legend of Zelda, and Metroid. The next is Sega Master System 1985. Sega Master System completed with the NES but had more access in Europe and Brazil than in North America. Notable games include Sony's The Hedgehog. The next is Atari 7800 in 1986. Atari released the 7800, which was backward compatible with the Atari 2600. It featured improved graphics and sound but faced toward competition from Nintendo and Sega. So the next is further generation. The next is fourth generation, 1980s to 1990s century. Now let's start the next next generation. Super Nintendo Entertainment System ENEOS 1990. Nintendo SNES introduced 16-bit graphics and a library of classes like Super Mario World, The Legend of Zelda, A Link to the Past, and Super Metroid. The next is Sega Genesis 1988. Sega's Genesis, known as the Mega Drive in other regions, gained popularity with Sony's The Hedgehog and Street Fighter II. It marked the start of the Sega vs Nintendo console wars. The next is Turbo Graphics 16. PC Engine 1987. NEC Turbo Graphics 16, known as PC Engine in Japan, offered a unique experience with its Turbo Graphics CD add-on. It introduced games like Bonk's Adventures. The next is, these are the first 4 generations of video game consoles. The industry has since evolved toward several more generations, include the introduction of CD-based consoles, 3D graphics, online gaming, and mobile gaming. Each era has brought its own innovation and iconic games, shaping the gaming industry into what it is today. So guys, that's the today's video. So please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please press the bell icon so you can see my latest videos on my YouTube channel. so you can find my YouTube channel easily. You can just click on my video notifications. So guys, bye bye.